And we're back. You know it. You love to hear it. Dad is back after his internet died. You didn't think I was just going to stream for an hour. No. It's not long enough. Not long enough. Okay. Back to playing Super Mario 64. So I jumped around a bunch of different things. My internet died, Tensy. My internet said, no, you don't need to have a connection. Then I went to check my area server stuff, and it said that they couldn't connect to my modem. So I had to restart my modem. That's what happened. So forgive me. We're back though. We're up and going. We're gonna do r.i.p and we'll scale it up. Scale it up to 300. Where's all the nerd? What do you mean? All the nerd. All of the nerd. Do we have all the nerd? We'll let Bailey know we're live again. Oh my god. Hold on. Does that mean my network's out? Did I lose my network? I didn't lose my network. Okay. Bailey's probably joining pretty soon. Ryu-chan did leave. Said he gotta go. He'll be back. Luke, Peach. I don't know. They could be anywhere. I dropkick babies, he could be anywhere. Hiding in trees. I'm just a robot on the internet. I don't know much about nothing. Do I want to do it this way, or do I want to just take... Probably get better shading if I take it off of the picture. So we just do... Capture. Right there. Thank you. zoom in. And we'll just outline the face here. There. Shift on or Control Shift I. Control Shift I. Rasterize and delete. Alright. Control T. Control Z, enter. Oh no. What is this? Control T. Make it bigger. Set it right about there. Delete the rest of this. Delete. Image adjustments, black and white. Okay. Image adjustments. Levels. So. I'll crush the whites. I'll crush a few things. I'll take that. We'll do. Need that to be white. So change the text color to white. Swap to a black background. What is that little selection here? It's fun. I can erase most of it. Just erase that. That'll work. Save as Graham Tombstone thing. JPEG. Save. Open up Substance. substance open, we can create a new file, go to desktop, green, tombstone 1, that's an FBX. We'll do mirror Y, mirror Z, mirror Z. Okay. We can do a new fill. Alright, I want to pick like a dark purplish, almost a gray. Maybe like a blue. What about there? Right, we can turn our metallic up. We're going to turn our roughness up. Normal's irrelevant. Specular is important. Height doesn't matter. Specular will turn. Yeah, we'll drop it right there. Something like that. Do a new fill layer. We'll actually just duplicate this. And we'll change the color to like something a bit more normal, or what you would expect on a tombstone. Maybe yeah. And then I'll black mask it. We'll take a brush. Alright, we'll just do dirt. I'm gonna kind of dirty it up a little bit. Okay. Let's do that again. Duplicate. Change the color. Something a bit there. Add a black mask. Kind of gray it out a little bit. Get some nice color variation. Okay. Now we got tombstone looking asset. We can add our new thing, which won't be much but height. Import resource. Add tombstone. Thing. texture, project shelf, untitled. Hit this, add a black mask, and the black mask is stencil. We're gonna do our stencil here. And we'll just kind of play around with it, see how I want to stick it. Change our brush to default hard. What's up, Bailey? Yeah, sorry, my internet just decided it didn't want to work anymore. Okay, that's impossible to see. So we'll change color on. Oh, well, you know, it would help if I actually put height on. We should probably do color up too. Yeah. Do color. Do an old trick where we do black. Alright, and we turn it down. R.I.P. That's backwards. That is backwards. We don't want it backwards. Okay, we clear our stencil. What else should I put on there? I mean, I could do like some patterning. Maybe like a... floral pattern. Something like this. How bad do I want it? It's the real question. I don't know. I don't think it matters that much. Yeah, a lot of them just say RIP. Yeah, that's all I'm doing. We'll call that good. Alright, I can export textures. Go into Or how they died. Yeah. I think if I did that, I'd want to do like an overlapping texture so I can vary it a little bit as a game asset versus putting it in the base texture. So if I put it in the base texture, it's just like I duplicate it around the level, you're gonna have like fucking 10 of them that just say, you know, the same thing. Like if I had some quirky messages, I could probably add it to the bottom. That's not a bad idea. We'll do that as a separate texture. I mainly just needed this for promotion. Tombstone. Don't export as Fong. Export as Tombstone. Export texture is Tombstone in Tombstone. Tombstone. I don't need 2K for that asset. Probably 1K, fine. Okay, we got that done. So it's already in FBX, has its light maps, we can new. Don't save. Need to make a boombox. Find one that'd be fun to model. There's not a lot to them, you know, there's just a bunch of buttons on top and open image in new tab. No, okay. That's special. We have an images, not shopping. Do like an 80s style boombox. So basically, right, I got a cube. Let's turn on interactive creation so it stops spawning like that. Pull you out. About here. Bring it up. All right. It's kind of an interesting one. Oof. Oh. Okay. Export. Pop you in. Well, I can. No, you're okay. My foot's asleep. Okay. Here we go. So that'll be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. G. We'll move it right there. Bring it all in. Right. We'll take you and bevel. Like 0.5 or 0.05. I can push you forward a little bit. Bring you up. Bring you up. There we go. Alright. So I could do okay. So we want to create a few things. I want to create like a button. Right? It's fairly simple. You just kind of boop and boop. Alright. We can take the bottom. And just bevel it out. Go. Well, let's take the boombox. Take all the edges. All of the edges. Why is it not working? There we go. A button. Button indeed. Bevel that so it looks better. Okay. Take our button. Right. And kind of shrink it down. Yeah, maybe make it a little bit bigger. Do something about, let's say there. Shift D. Small but on. Yeah. Small but on. Where'd my picture go? Okay, we're gonna make some knobbles. Alright. So we can start with a cube again. Oh, what's up, CZ? How you be? Peach. Peach indeed. How you being, my guy? Should. I'm doing alright. My internet died. So we got some weird half stream going on right now. But other than that, I'm pretty good. Can't wait for it to be my weekend. I started archiving music on my channel. I don't know if you saw my last video. It's about I'm about to be on Saturday. Nice. Yeah, I got a few hours. I got a few hours myself, but yeah. Why what? Bailey's a fucking time traveler. She's ahead of us. 'Cause it's like what are you on, like Eastern Standard Time or? Yeah. Time traveler. Yep. Transcend time. So take those three. Move on. Yours is Eastern Standard Time? It's 1 a.m. for you? Jesus. When it's when it's 11 for me, it's 1 for you. For me right now, it is 7:44. So that's Mountain Standard Time. CZ lives in, fuck was that state, man? Ohio. Ohio! Yeah, so for CZ it would be 9:45. And I'm assuming for you, Bailey, you're probably at 11 or 10. Let me know if I did it right. Let me know if I time zoned correctly. I need to know! Yeah. Fucking New Yorkers. Transcending time zones and whatnot. Get out of here. Look at him over here, over there. So I'm Italian, and I used to hang out with a bunch of Italians, and we used to kind of make fun of like things just in general. We had a friend. His name was Ben, and we used to like do like Magic the Gathering things. And he would always want us to like pick him up and drive him everywhere. And one day we were just like, you know, I mean, are you gonna pay for gas? And he kept like pussyfooting around the question. So we're like, oh, look at him, Ben Pussyfoots. Fucking pussyfooting around everything. And I guess he had like shortened calf muscles. So he thought we were making fun of his disability. But the name was so popular that everybody just called him Ben Pussyfoots from then on. And yeah, that's how I inadvertently ruined his life. I don't think it was that dramatic, but still. Your phone's at 15. Bailey's at 3. I just hit 30. And 81. I got 2 phones in front of me. Okay. I can take a big old knob. And center. I don't know why my subscriber thing isn't working. It seems to only work on Twitch. Didn't used to. Used to work. Hear me out. Rooster Easter egg. Yes. 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 Just all of the yes. You're preparing your outfit tomorrow? That's literally in... Wait. What the hell? Spamming cap... Okay, hey, Sir Boring, sorry about that. Hold on, let me... It shouldn't care about that shit. I thought I had that turned off on both of them. Does it happen? I'm sorry. Let me, tell me about this rooster Easter egg. I just put a rooster in the game? Or, spam protection. Disable excessive caps. That's a ridiculous one. Okay. That shouldn't happen again. Nightbot banned him. He didn't get banned. He just got put in a little timeout. I was gonna say a xenomorph like Easter egg, but then I read what the game was about. I mean, I'd be down to do a xenomorph. A random rooster. What would this rooster do? Xenomorphic rooster. Oh my god. going on the whiteboard, my friend? So I wanted to have like, yeah, I'm down. I'll have to figure out how I'm gonna fit it in, but yeah, I was gonna have like this whole Pinocchio-esque side quest where this doll wants like. You get like a doll for a child, and then you come back and the child's dead. And then, you know, as you progress, eventually you just start feeding children to this doll. It's the flesh. It needs the flesh of children. But a xenomorphic rooster. That's an idea. That do be an idea. You want to know what would throw people off about that whole mission? What? Going off what I said and being able to see it randomly stalk you. Yeah. I mean, that's kind of what it does. Well, you're the Grim Reaper, so it's not really going to matter too much for you, but yeah, it just kind of shows up where you're at. Are you talking like Weeping Angel type stalk you? Like it's hiding somewhere during the mission once you notice the child is dead? Yeah. Yes. People would assume that the xenomorphic rooster got the child. Yeah? I'm down. I'll have to find a way to fit it in. But, yeah, that's pretty funny. Okay, so I can take you and you. Extrude. Doing some promotional assets right now. I mean, they'll be in the game. It's just I needed a tombstone and a boom box. Tombstone for the title. Boom box for a website thing. I gotta do a book. I left for 2 seconds. I've been so confused. What are you talking about? We were talking about there. So. Well, okay, so Sir Boring, definitely not saying xenomorph because it's animating with him earlier. Psh. Well, okay, so basically Sir Boring was like, hear me out, right? Rooster Easter egg. And we got the idea for a xenomorph rooster. Which could mean a whole bunch of different things. And I'm going to take that and run with it. But then we were talking about, in my game, there's going to be like this kind of side quest where you gotta, it's like a Pinocchio-esque side quest. And you gotta like, you end up just feeding children to this, like, puppet, basically. That's what we were talking about. You think I'm gonna hit 1,000 next month? I think so. I'm growing pretty quick. Oh no! Somebody unfollowed me on fucking Twitter or Twitch. Look at that. Bastards. Yeah, I think so. Probably. I've been growing. I don't know if it's going to be next month, though. Although, to be honest, well, I'll be subscribing to watch your game journey. With great interest. Good. Good, Sir Boring. I appreciate the subscription. I do Let's Plays on Saturdays, but virtually everything else is development stuff. Appreciate the subscription, my friend. Okay. Is it the same time for Saturday as today? Yeah, so everything's MST, so I don't know what that translates. I mean, obviously for you, it's like 3-4 hours. But 6 o'clock is like during my work week is kind of the time where even if I'm running late, I can usually make that 6 o'clock window. But I don't have a job that has like a set time frame. So like I go in and once my jobs are done, I go home. If I get off early, usually I'll stream early. But yeah, that 6 o'clock time frame is kind of the best window I can give people. Looking at your channel's videos, your game seems pretty interesting. Thank you, Sir Boring. You don't mind me asking, what is my job? So, I am an appliance technician right now. Haven't had the best luck getting into anything in my field, but I get paid pretty well for appliance repair. I usually only work about 30 hours a week, so it kind of helps my video game. Yeah, Sir Boring, if you want, you can check out my website. There's a bit more on my game on there, because I'm uploading like design document stuff, if that piques your interest. You don't know what appliance repair is? Do you not have like a fridge or a dryer or a washer, dishwasher? So basically, when those break down, you gotta call somebody to fix them. Or I guess you could just replace them, but... okay, good. Yeah, there's not a ton on there. I'm kind of slowly adding to it. Oh, okay, gotcha. Yeah, I was like, I would hope you know what that is. Yeah, I used to repair PCs, like freelance, and then I was working at a casino for a while as a slot technician. You have merchandise? Yeah. Yeah, I got merch. Right now it's just a t-shirt that my VTuber wears or a sticker of my logo. But yeah, I'll start getting some more merch here. I think I'm dropping a new t-shirt this weekend. datafabrications.com/merch, I believe. Bailey, go to my website. Hold on. I mean, it's linked everywhere. It's on his website in the merch portion of it, yeah. But yeah, but you know what you could do? There's also a link. If you hit more on the description, you can go to my website that way. Do it. Yeah, I'm about to get mine. It just showed up in Colorado, so I'll let you guys know how it is. Epic Pizza suggested that merch store, and it looked pretty legit. At least I don't have to like re-upload all my designs every week, which a lot of them will make you do. Hey Sir Boring, do you want mod? Let me give you mod. You're cool. I make like everybody mod. Just helps me keep track of people that are popping into my stream regularly. I mean, it would be nice. It would be unwise to give it. Why? I give everybody mod. We had a game of Mod Among Us for a little while. The thing is, like, if everybody's mod in chat, you can't do a whole lot. Yeah, bro, I give like everybody mod. Everybody tells me it's a bad idea, but there's not a lot, like, why do you make everyone a moderator? It's important, okay? Like, honest to God, the reason I do it is if you start showing up to more of my streams, I make you moderators, so it allows me to track who's regularly showing up, and it reminds me. But yeah, if everybody's mods, then you can't do a whole lot to everyone else. Because, like, you have, like, moderation levels. You got your standard mods, you got your moderate, like, the higher level mod. And then I just promoted Nightbot to Omega mod that can moderate my, my higher level mods. I got a mod on day 2. Yeah. Yeah. You missed the day where I was just like, anybody that joined chat was getting mod, and it was a fucking nightmare. Get on my level, I got mod day 1. Yeah, I don't know. I find it entertaining. Partially. I'm not even gonna lie. Fucking speedrun mod. Hey Sir Boring, I gotta ask, how did you find me? Was it shorts, or did you get like recommended the stream, or... You are a high mod. You are. No. Oh, it was really simple. I just showed up when you search Xenomorph. Excellent. It means the random tags that I'm putting in are working. That makes sense. Totally, you know? Oh, game developing. And you clicked. Awesome. I'm glad. Yeah, I do, I kind of do all things gaming. I do Let's Plays. I do, like, non-commentary playthroughs. I just started archiving video game music, so... You are not required to drop your age. Bailey... No, you're not required. Bailey just likes to know how old everybody is. But you don't have to. It's okay, Bailey. I don't care. Just know that not everybody wants to drop their age. That's totally fine, my guy. Don't you worry. Bailey just likes to know. And nobody's judging you. What's up, Tenchi? Tenchi! Alright. Boombox. What up? You want to be the oldest other than Luke and Data. What's the wacky numbers on the back of your credit card? What's that weird number that you have to give to your employer? I think they call it a social. Give me like your address and send you some fun stuff. No, don't. No, Bailey, don't fall for it. No, wait. Okay, good. I was like, you did not just give him actual information, did you? So bad, Bailey. It's those wacky numbers on the back of your credit card. Hey man, quite frankly, sometimes they're on the front. Let's see who Nightbot decides to make winner. Winner! Is he gonna do it? This is like killing my time. My excitement just declared bankruptcy. Create this with that face emoji. One of you guys type in @winner and see who Nightbot decides has won. Do it. Do it for me. 'Cause I haven't made my alts a mod for whatever reason. I should do that. Let me do that right now. Not yet. Exclamation mark winner. I said @winner. That's not how it works. CZ has won. CZ won! Welcome, CZ! Come on down. I think it's how Sir Boring put it. It's like the direct exclamation mark and then winner. Like CZ did. What is my favorite? Sir Boring has won! My favorite heavy metal band has got to be Iron Maiden, I think. I used to listen to a lot of Iron Maiden. CZ has won twice. Everybody is winning. My god. I'm so glad I added this bot. The nice thing about it is it can moderate my moderators. And that's important to me. Because I make random people mods. Participation trophies. Yeah. I participated. Good lord. CZ, do you have some, like... some fucking... tiger's blood in you? Are you a warlock from another dimension? Because you're winning right now, my man. Cannibal Corpse is good too. They could be a fucking killer and you'd still make them mod. Yeah. Yeah. I don't give a fuck. Alright? Mod all day. Every day. Everybody's mod. Everybody gets a little fucking... little wrench. Yeah. Mod send me to the gulag. One day, I may regret making everybody mod. Alright, but that's not today. And it's probably not anytime soon. I'm not gonna lie. Bailey has won. Bailey has won again. What are we playing? I don't know. We're playing Nightbot has decided winners. The M-Day invasion of people who remember their mods. Yeah. Yeah, I find it so amusing. I'm not gonna lie. I probably shouldn't, because it's kind of a dumb thing to find amusing, but you know, I do. It makes me happy, and that's all I care about. Extrude face. Tenshiro. Faye Fun just typing winner. Also, you have no idea how risky it is playing this stream with Mario music in the background. It's totally fine. Wait. So, Mario 64 will flag copyrights, but none of the copyright holders are Nintendo. Why am I making a boombox? Well, so on my website, right? We just go over there, just wander on over to my website. Yeah, it's so I can hold it to the sky and say my dad's not a cell phone. But yeah, so in my design document, right, I've got characters, I've got locations, but if you notice, I also have music that I wrote for the game. Right, in its own little tab. I need something like a boombox to put in there. And it just so happens that I can use this somewhere around my level as well as just filler assets. So that's why there's a boombox. And then outside of that CZ, you see this little empty page right here that has nothing in it? I'm starting to archive video game music. So if you didn't see, yesterday, I uploaded the entire Spyro OST, right? And that's going to go right here. And the reason I'm doing that is to double dip on my watch time during my streams. Because I watch these streams so I can listen to you guys chat. And Right now, I just play random people's fucking videos. And some of these people have ads on their videos. And I know that they're collecting revenue from them because I've played this music and it doesn't trigger fucking copyright. So that's what's going on there. That was a long-winded explanation for an asset that I really didn't need to justify that hard, but you know, when you got to go hard, you go hard. GG, as the children say. But yeah, so I'm gonna get a few tracks going, and then that's just gonna be my stream music. But yeah, so there's a handful of them that'll, like in Super Mario 64 specifically, that'll flag copyrights, but none of those people own the copyright to that music. Put my music in the game. I could. How do you feel about me monetizing or making money off your music? That's the question. Because usually in the industry, they pay people for tracks. Good game. You don't care. Okay. As long as you don't care, I'll find a place for it. Let me listen to it again and kind of think about the areas that I'm doing. Okay. Yeah, let me think about it. I can drop it somewhere probably. Play it now. Yeah, like a lot of video. What I noticed when I from streaming the past few months is video game music will flag copyright, but usually it's people that have done remixes of the song, which like one, if you're using video game music as background music, you're protected by fair use. You know, within reason. You don't want to flag any like major songs, but video games, especially because people stream them, it's pretty reasonable for you to... I just realized you had a community Discord. I do have a community Discord. If you're alone, I will be your shadow. If you want to cry, I'll be your shoulder. If you want to hug, I'll be your pillow. Anytime you need a friend. Well, thank you, Bailey. That was a sweet message. I do be having a community Discord. It was not public until yesterday, so... Yes. That is the most Facebook mom thing I have ever read. It was sweet. But put a sunrise background on it. Yes. My Facebook is fucking wild. It's basically softcore porn at this point. I like log in and I get like 100 friend requests. And like most of them are like cam girls or something. But I don't care. Because it makes it look like I have a lot of followers. But in the same vein, I can't log into my Facebook on stream. Because I will definitely violate community guidelines. You make all your posts in actual cryptic. So what happened was, when I went and started all my social medias, my Facebook went viral for whatever reason. It's just a little fucking robot dude. Called myself Dead a Gamebot. And I got like 2,000 friend requests within the first day. Most of the people were from Africa. And I thought that was funny. So it's gone from that to just a bunch of cam girls, I think. I don't know. I don't know. Alright. They're trying to give you their gold. Yeah. Little do they know I'm part leprechaun and already have my pot of gold at the end of a fucking rainbow. So, if they're after my Lucky Charms, I can suck a dick. Probably already do, quite frankly. Walked up in the club and raised my boombox high. I can like... The funny thing is... What is the funny thing? A sussy baka and cannot be that bad. I'm feeling like the imposter might just be a monster. Bro, I feel ya. Honestly, I have like several prototypes. If you look through my portfolio, I've been doing that since I graduated. But like, I used to make a bunch of like shitty clone games of like asteroids and stuff like that. I think the more I got into it, I want to say like, early on, I was just like, yeah, I'm just going to be a modeler. I'm just going to model stuff, and that's all I want to do. But the longer I've been out of school, the less people that respond to my resume and cover letter. And the more I just kind of want to learn more about game development, I end up just saying fuck it. And... you know, I think I've always wanted to start my own game company. I figure, well, if nobody's gonna hire me, I may as well just fucking do my own shit. Does that... I want noodles. Give me noodles, Bailey. Watch out with those emojis. You put enough of those in there, Nightbot's gonna fucking put you in timeout. Lack of motivation. Motivation's hard. I struggled with that for like years. It took me a long time to be able to like steadily work on a project. And then like even when I worked on projects, I realized I'm either biting off more than I can chew, or I'm in way over my head. Because I'm like, it's fine to like be able to animate. It's fine to be able to model. It's fine to be able to code. It's fine to be able to do music, but doing them all together is a... It takes a lot of energy. So, there is a thing on Nightbot that, that will put you in timeout if you're putting too many emojis. And the only reason I did that is because fucking Ryu that one night where he put like an entire wall of emojis. I think the cap's pretty high, but still. But no, yeah, I had 15 followers on Twitch, Now I have 14, so somebody unfollowed. Wonder if I can see who. I'm not gonna do it on stream. I think I've only ever sort of completed one game. It was because I had a friend working on it. They consistently reminded me to work on it. And that it was gonna be fun. Nice. Was it a good game? What was it called? Because I'll say like... probably like 75 to 85% of game ideas do not make it to release. Yep. It's the thing about development, man. Hey, humans versus gods. It was VR. Nice. Yeah, if you look up Children of Ohm on my website, it was a VR thing. We did a whole bunch of conventions. I couldn't get anybody to work past the first level. In the Primal Age. Nice. I'm going to make a no out of a yes. Bailey, if you do that, you're gonna break the fucking time-space continuum. I don't know if that's a good idea. And we would give everyone the materials to advance. Oop. Oop. Basically, VR community. So it sounds like, it kind of sounds like a VR version of black and white. You ever played that? It kind of seems like that. Might not be, but... You forgot to tell me, but you're in tomorrow. Since everyone is human. Yeah. So Black and White was Peter Molyneux's like first few games. And it was, yeah, you basically like, it's a little different because you like raise a god. And then you... Oh, okay. Grabbing the artifacts would basically... Bailey, you're in what? In what tomorrow? You're in tomorrow. In on the stream? It would be reincarnated as a god, but if you really wanted to be a god, you must gain praise from humans. I check out Black and White, man. It's like it's given me like some mad Black and White vibes, and those games are amazing. Really old, but Bailey is in, guys. Nobody knows what. Game VR, you're trying to replicate how our humanity would... Yeah, that sounds really cool. It's a shame you guys didn't release it. It's finished though? Like you can play everything and everything was solid, or... Were there like a bunch of technical issues on why you didn't release it? Or... I don't know, Bailey. You said you were in, and then you never... It was only a beta, test of concept, if you will. Gotcha. So kind of like my prototypes. I'm sure it was a bit more advanced than my prototypes, because all I do is kind of write down a concept and like throw something together. Although some of them got a little bit more advanced. Like I was gonna do the original concept for, like the first thing I kind of wanted to toy around with in making like a raunchy platformer. It was gonna make it more like Ape Escape, and I like reprogrammed the second joystick, and it was a fucking nightmare. My hat goes off to the developers of Ape Escape because it's insane how complicated it gets when you're trying to do something like that. I don't want it that big though. Oh, you don't know what it's in either. The reason I want to make it is because I want to see human actual gods. Yeah. Bro, it sounds like a cool idea. I think if you could, I'd definitely like try to pick it up again. Bailey doesn't know what she's in. That's not... Oh, you're taking a game design class soon? Bro, my phone says 0. How? God. God has given your phone power. Nice. Have you already decided on the software you're going to use? No. Oh, you know why? That's why. Right there. Look at that. I'm done. Unity. I think Unity takes too big of a cut. To be honest, I think Unreal's easier to work with. But I decided between those two back in like 2009. COD and modeling, and you're in swimming, so you're really busy. Nice. Yeah. I will say with like modeling software, you can get really familiar with Blender. Blender's a really good one. I use Maya. I think the interface is really nice. I like the shortcuts. I used Max briefly, which wasn't too bad. Don't know if I want to do a whole thing in Max, but wasn't against it. Can I just... You know your way around Blender a good bit. You've used it quite a bit. Thank you, Bailey. She is really needy right now. Yeah, so when I started Blender, this was back 2007, 2008. You would have to like program everything. Like you would have to hard code and extrude or that sort of thing, and it was a nightmare. I didn't know what the fuck I was doing. But it has come such a long way since then. It's actually pretty nice software now. I can just take this, extrude. Also, a concept I think people would love in the game is there is no technical set power for gods. That'd be really hard to kind of like encapsulate as like a... It's like a game mechanic. Just the programming on that would be interesting. Also, Bailey, you said you model? What do you model in? I saw your drawing the other day. Which was pretty good. Drawing's hard. I used to suck at drawing until I realized you can learn to draw better. It just takes a lot of time and dedication. And I think what I wish I would have done a long time ago is use like reference software. Like there's a app on my phone called Pose It, which is really a really good one. But I also make like little mannequins so I can draw characters out after I have a rig set. For example, let's say a lightning god and a speed god. The offspring would have a new ability to create lightning that's significantly faster. Yeah. So kind of like Jade Cocoon it a little bit. You do a dress for modeling? Which modeling are we talking about, Bailey? Talking about like 3D modeling, or are we talking about like posing and stuff like that for pictures? Like limitless power combinations. Yeah. It sounds like a really cool concept. In theory, I think programming it would be so you do modeling for games and you do drawing dresses for modeling poses. Bailey, have you checked out Marvelous Designer? It's a really cool software. It's a clothing software, but you basically tailor these clothes together using like actual seams and like sewing stuff. It's cool. So like if a model needs just a design, they call me. Oh, okay. Nice. This is a really cool software. When I was doing Grimoire, I was using it. I decided against using it because it's kind of pricey. And if all I was doing was clothing, then that'd be fine, but that's not what was happening. It's a good one. But folks, it is that time of night. We'll have to end the stream. It's been a pleasure talking to all of you. Thanks for dropping in. I'll see you next time. Have a great one. No, not yet. What do you mean not yet? What do you mean not yet, Bailey? I have to work tomorrow. I gotta be up super early. I'll be on tomorrow. How much? How much what? What are we talking? Marvelous Designer? It's like $30 a month or something. It's not crazy expensive. It's just like I want to get the most out of that if I'm using it. Anyway, I do have to go. You guys have a great one. Thanks for watching. I'll see you tomorrow.